I know I understand that, bro, but at the end of the day, my nigga, it's like, it's gonna be funny and shit, bro, but it's like, nah, I can't, you feel me, like, show, bro. I hope it don't be funny, though, bro. I hope it don't be funny, though, bro, like, my nigga, it smell good, bro. They never fucking me up again, and I don't want it mean to be funny. This, you ain't getting me again, bro. And we still on point. Wanna make nobody famous and then, I got on the 5 something, I got on the 2Gs. They fucked up, and then what was they trying to make this, but they still make it this, you feel? You know, shit, man, and things. Brand new rings and things, man. Feel me? Lost and Rovers. Nah, but yeah, nigga ain't catch me this time, right, bro? nigga ain't catch me this time.
To report a stolen phone, please contact Park Police at 510-464-7000.